Greetings to all learners. My name is Pooja Verma and I am a faculty of Geography at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I'll be taking early and modern theories related with the origin of evolution of Earth from Chapter 2, The Origin and Evolution of Earth, Grade 11th, Physical Geography, NCERT. Today's topic will enable you all to learn and understand the different early and modern theories responsible for the evolution of our planet, stars, and solar system. So, let us begin today's topic. Dear children, many hypotheses were put forth by different philosophers and scientists regarding the origin of the earth. One of the earlier and popular argument was by German philosopher Immanuel Kant, which was revised by mathematician Laplace in 1796. It is known as nebular hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, the planets were formed out of a cloud of material associated with the youthful sun, which was always slowly rotating. In 1900, Chamberlain and Moulton considered that a wandering star approached the sun. As a result, a cigar-shaped extension of material was separated from the solar surface. As the passing stars moved away, the material separated from the solar surface continued to revolve around the sun and it slowly condensed into planets. Later on, the arguments considered of a companion to the sun to have been coexisting. These arguments are called binary theories. The most popular argument regarding the origin of universe is the Big Bang theory. It is also called expanding universe hypothesis. The Big Bang theory considers the following stages in the development of universe. In the beginning, all the matter forming the universe existed in one place in the form of a tiny ball with very small volume, infinite temperature and infinite density. At the Big Bang, the tiny ball exploded violently. This led to a huge expansion. It is now generally accepted that the event of Big Bang took place 13.7 billion years ago. Within these years from the Big Bang, temperature dropped to 4500 Kelvin and gave rise to atomic matter. The universe became transparent. Moving to the galaxies. A galaxy contains a large number of stars. Galaxies spread over vast distances that are measured in thousands of light years. Akash Ganga or the Milky Way, our galaxy, started to form by accumulation of hydrogen gas in the form of a very large cloud called nebula. Eventually, growing nebula develops localized clumps of gas. These clumps continued to grow into denser gaseous bodies, giving rise to formation of stars. The formation of stars is believed to have taken place some 5 to 6 billion years ago. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. The nebula from which our solar system is supposed to have been formed started its collapse and core formation sometime 5 to 5.6 billion years ago. And the planets were formed about 4.6 billion years ago. Dear children, our solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, 63 moons, millions of smaller bodies like asteroids and comets and huge quantity of dust grain and gases. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. It is now generally believed that the formation of moon as a satellite of earth is an outcome of giant impact or what is described as the big splat. A body of the size of 1 to 3 times that of Mars collided into the earth sometime shortly after the earth was formed. It blasted a large part of the earth into space. This portion of blasted material then continued to orbit the Earth and eventually formed into the present Moon about 4.44 billion years ago. There are three stages in the evolution of the present atmosphere. The first stage is marked by the loss of primordial atmosphere. In the second stage, the hot interior of the Earth contributed to the evolution of atmosphere. And finally, the composition of atmosphere was modified by living world through the process of photosynthesis. Around 3,800 million years ago, life began to evolve. However, 2,500 to 3,000 million years before the present, the process of photosynthesis get evolved. Life was confined to the oceans for a long time. Dear children, that was all about today's topic. Hope you have learned about the origin and evolution of the earth. Stay blessed, Asanians. Thank you all.